Are you worried having a mental block during your IELTS and language cert speaking tests? It happens when we are worried and anxious. We know what to say, but for some reasons our brain goes blank. Some candidates have experienced a mental block during the IELTS and language cert speaking modules. One reason is that they are attempting to think and speak simultaneously. Some even try to think into their mother language and then they try to translate their thoughts into the English. In this video, I'm going to give you some ideas that how you can start your answers when any examiner asks any question in IELTS or language cert speaking tests. So here are some opening statements. Number 1, today I would like to share with you. Number 2, in this talk I am going to tell you. Number 3, I want to tell you about. Number 4, today I would like to discuss. Number 5, today I want to give a short talk on. Number 6, in my opinion. Number 7, according to my point of view. And number 8, as far as I am concerned. For example, if the examiner asks a question, can you tell me please, do you prefer online shopping or window shopping? You can use any of the statement out of these 8 to start the answer of this question, or any of the question asked by the examiner in IELTS and language cert speaking tests. I am not going to give you the full answer, so you have to keep this in your mind. Number 1, today I would like to share with you. Today I would like to share with you my experience of online and window shopping, but I prefer the online shopping. Number 2, in this talk I am going to tell you. In this talk I am going to tell you of my experience of online and window shopping, but I love to do online shopping. Number 3, I want to tell you about. I want to tell you about of my experience of online and window shopping, but I prefer to do online shopping. Number 4, I would like to discuss about. I would like to discuss about of my experience of online and window shopping, but I will give preference to the online shopping because online shopping is very easy and time saving, whereas window shopping is time consuming, and being a businessman, it is not possible for me to do window shopping. Number 5, today I want to give a short talk about. Today I want to give a short talk about online and window shopping, but my preference is the online shopping. I love to do online shopping. Number 6, in my opinion. In my opinion, online shopping is very easy as compared to the window shopping. Online shopping is time saving and very easy. On the other hand, window shopping is time consuming and I think it is also very expensive. Number 7, according to my point of view. According to my point of view, online shopping is very easy, economical and time saving. So I will give preference to online shopping over the window shopping. Number 8, as far as I am concerned. As far as I am concerned, I am in the favor of online shopping. I love to do online shopping. You can do online shopping sitting in your bedroom and you can do all the shopping by using your fingertips. So these are the expressions are the opening statement. With the help of these expressions or opening statement, you can start your answers in your IELTS and language cert speaking modules. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of upcoming videos.